Hi Leo, welcome to the Spiritual Enlightened Weekly Tarot Card reading from 11th to 17th of July. This is a general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It may or may not be resonate to every one of you. Take the whatever it resonates and leave the rest behind. Start. Words for the readings for the upcoming For the current situation, you have 8 of Wands. The challenge you have to face death. What to focus on, you have 3 of Cups. What's in your past, you have 4 of Swords. What's your strength, you have Sun. What's for the guidance, you have Hangman. What's for the advice, you have King of Pentacles. What you need to know, you have Judgment. What are the hopes and fears, you have 9 of Swords. What is your final outcome is Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, you have Ace of Pentacles. For the present situation, you have 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands encourages you to grow the flow. Don't resist it. Everything is moving fast right now. So make the most of it forward and manifest your goals and dreams. Remove all distractions and devote yourself to the task with full concentration. There is no stopping you right now as you are just bursting with energy and ideas, and you cannot wait to achieve. You may be traveling a business trip or a holiday also. For the challenge, you have death. You must close one door to open another, and you need to put the past behind you and part ways, ready to embrace new opportunities. It may be difficult to let go, but you will soon see its importance and the promise of renewal and transformation. You need to transform yourself and clear away the old to bring the new. What to focus on, you have 3 of Cups. Spend quality time with friends and family and enjoy yourself. Perhaps a birthday, a wedding, a vacation, or even holiday. Collectively, you are working towards a common goal for the greater good to others. This is a great way to connect with others and to access your creative abilities. What's in your past is the 4 of Swords. You might have going through some rough phase or rough time, and such as trauma, breakup, relationship or family problems, financial worries, stress and conflict. Apart from that, you build up your mental strength by clearing your mind, retreat your pain and conflict and distraction, and rid yourself to the stress and the anxiety ground and recharge yourself. Your strength is the Sun. Sun is also a strength card, and you are a Leo also. This is your cards. The Sun gives you strength and tells you that no matter where you go or what you do, your positive and radiant energy will follow you and bring you happiness and joy. If you are going through a difficult time, the Sun brings you the message you have been waiting for. What's for the future is Hangman. You have to put everything on hold before you can take the next step. The universe will do it on behalf, but you have to release the old mental and behavior patterns that no longer serve you so you can see your world from a new perspective. Press the retreat button or change up your routine so you can start to shift your energy and flow more freely again. For the advice, you have King of Pentacles. Through responsibility and attention to details, You have achieved great things and can fully finally say that you have completed your task or attained your goals. You can now enjoy all that you have. Sorry for the. You can now enjoy all that things you have accomplished and success you have created. What you need to know is the judgment. Embrace a higher level of consciousness for the service of your highest good. Tune into a higher frequency, let go of your old self, and step into the newest version of you, who you really are. For the hopes and fears, you have Nine of Swords. You are worrying excessive about a situation and you're getting your negative thoughts are getting the better of you, leaving you stressed and anxious. The more you associate with your fears, the more they will rule over your life. What's for the outcome is the Knight of Pentacles. You will be required to accept responsibility without any complaints or grudges. You may be assigned a project or even a daily routine, the tasks to do, and you will have to commit your time to see that project or daily work through to the end successfully. You have to establish a routine and carefully planning to the achieve your goals. That's all for today. If it resonates, please subscribe this channel. See you later. Bye.